What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk to you about AMC really quick. I wanted to get into a lot of the details because we know that we were supposed to have huge volume on Tuesday, but we did not have the volume that we thought we were going to have. So I wanted to get into a lot of that detail. Before I get started, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. So now I wanted to quickly talk about this because obviously I have a huge position in AMC and I love to talk about all of this stuff and really break down what are my thoughts, what are my predictions, when do I feel like getting in, getting out, all of this other stuff, and what my ultimate plan is. And I know people don't like when I have something to say about AMC because they think that I'm paper hands, but I like to be realistic with everybody and give everybody the information that they do need. So again, if you are interested in this platform, it is Webull. It's down below. Click the link, sign up, and deposit $100, and you'll get free stocks. But let's go ahead and look at AMC really quick. So we look at exactly what happened on Tuesday. Everyone thought that we were going to have a great day, especially since we've seen this gap up. So we've seen a very large gap up here to where it pretty much went up to about that $6.58 mark, all the way up to $6.79, which we thought we were going to have this increase and continue on that route here. Now, what was crazy is we didn't continue on that route. If we look at the 15, moving average, we're going to see that we thought we were going to continue on this route. Even the 200 EMA, you can see that we were thinking we were going to go up here, but it did bow out and ended up decreasing at the end of the pre-market, which was not good. And even people thought that we were decreasing. That means that we're going to see a very large bump in the beginning of the day, which I seen that there was not really much volume as we went into the day, and you could see that. It went downhill, did recover a little bit, went all the way down to $5.49, basically that $5.50 mark where everybody wants to get in at. And people started to buy in a little bit and push the price up a little bit. It ended up finishing at $5.65, which it just wasn't a really good day. The volume just wasn't there. You can tell that the volume wasn't there, and it's not something that a lot of people are proud of. In the after hours market, you did see that it increased by 0.5%, basically up to $5.68. It stayed pretty much flat around here, which you did see a crossover from the 200 EMA to the 15 MA. So you've seen that crossover, which indicates you're going to have more of a push than anything. So as I was looking into this, I was saying, what happened to Tuesday? You know, we had this hashtag Tuesday 2 million. We're looking to push as many shares as possible with AMC, but it just seems that nothing really can get done. And a lot of people are saying it's our saving grace here. Our saving grace is the fact that we're holding so many shares. And I don't know whether I should think that it's positive or negative, whether we're holding so many shares, because it looks like it's not displaying as a positive on the chart. And that's what we want to see. We want to see all of the positive moves here. Anything that can give us, an increase, can grow us by, 5%, 10%, whatever that is. And it just wasn't something that sit well with me and with a lot of other people. So you can see with the lack of volume, let's go ahead and go to the daily look. So you're going to be able to see exactly what the volume was. Let's scroll in. So this was the 16th, that was today. You're going to see the volumes at 60 million. It's at 46 million the day before that, 55 million. You could see it's slowly decreasing. You had it at 100 million, you had it at 100 million here, 150 million, then it was 55, 46, and 60. So basically, these 3 days are horrible when it comes to volume. And we can say all we want, Tuesday 2 million, we can say Wednesday 5 million, whatever it actually is. We're not going to be able to push that much volume, and that's what sucks. So we need to rely on a lot of other things in order to push that. And people think that it's going to be a short spike. It's not going to be a short spike. It's going to be something that's probably a long-term hold, to where we may have something that pushes up in, that $9 mark and then continues to fall back a little bit. But we're going to have ups and downs all the way up to $10 or $15. So it's going to take a long time to get there. It's not anything that's a short-term hold, in my opinion, as I start to really look at it. So where do I feel that this is going to go? When do I feel like I'm going to have any type of exit point or entry point or whatever you want to do? Mainly, you have a lot of entry points at this 550 mark. It seems like it's really resisting around the 5 to 550 mark, and it's really pushing up after that. Now, for me, I have a plan of basically seeing exactly what's happening here with all of this downward trend volume. I'm looking to get out at like the break-even point for me. The reason why I would be looking to get out at the break-even point is because I feel like we're going to have this up and down trend. Do I feel like it's going to get back to $5? No. But do I feel like it's going to pull back every so often? Yes, I do feel that that's going to happen. It's going to be a slow moving train to where we get up to $7 and it hovers between $6 and $7. We get up to $9, it hovers between $9 and maybe $7. And you're going to see that back and forth here, and it's going to be something that's a slow moving train. So when I do have that, I'm going to look for an entry point that's a lot lower than $9.38. Am I going to get out of it completely? No. I'm going to sell everything right from the start, but I'm going to wait for that pullback and then get back in it at $7, $6, hopefully $5. That would be amazing. But I'm in it for the long haul, but just with a lower amount of shares. So that would be my plan here. But if you do have an entry point, like I said, would be that 550 mark. I believe that that's really where you want to be if you wanted to invest in this, or lower really. But it looks like it keeps resisting or having that support level of $5.50. So if you can get in lower, that'll be great. If you can't, then make sure your cost basis is a little bit low. It sucks for the people that got in at $17 or $20 or whatever and held out, because all of these restrictions really derailed a lot of us. And that's what I don't like to see, but we have to live with it here. So that's what I have for you guys today. Let me know what you think about AMC. I know people are tired of me talking about AMC, but I have a large position with AMC. So I figure I'll keep talking about them until my position is, done. And I'll probably have a smaller position eventually. If I do get to that break-even point or close to it, then I'll have a smaller position. But I'm not 100% sure exactly when I'll stop talking about AMC, because I do believe that they're a long-term play. In the summertime, you're going to see them definitely have a pop. But I talked about other stocks during my stream, so make sure you catch my streams if you want all that information. But yeah, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. This is the platform that I'm using. So if you are interested in that, please hit that link down there, sign up, deposit $100, and you'll get free stocks. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.